CKS masonry, diag on a tracker that has stopped recording. Hold that for me, bud. Thanks, man. Oh, wet in here. Tracker's dead. Oh, look at that. Got a lot of corrosion in there. And it's actually water's coming out of. Okay, this right here is leaking. You can see how the water's inside here.
Okay.
And it's actually coming down through here inside the roof.
Oh, gotta put it in a plastic bag.
Wow, the whole thing's just
Oh
full
shit!
of water, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. All right. Let's see if the. Yeah, I'm gonna have to replace this connector too. So, oh, at least we know what's going on with it.
Yep.
So
Yep.
we only have a 3-wire install. It's not a PTO harness, so. And we know why the tracker went bad.
All right. Let me let her know.
All right, but I'm going to put a new tracker in this.
Okay.
And I'm going to try to stick it on the other side of the dash over here.
All right.
But even then, that water, I've seen it fry the instrument clusters on these. So I recommend definitely getting that replaced. All right. Thanks for watching.
All right.